Can you do that again?
Keep getting lost and it's taking me forever to get there.
I used to falling in love, but I'm breaking my habit 'cause you turn me on to my heart's desire. Now I'm dying to let you know who I feel is some kind of wonderful.
That's you.
Wow!
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much! It's so pretty!
I don't know if you like that box.
I love it! I love this color. Wow! It's chocolate, vanilla, raspberry, coffee, pistachio, and salted. Delicious. I haven't had them in so long.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
It's like one thing you actually like. I love macaroons. And I thought so hard about getting you cake from lingerie. They had like, you know, those like fancy. I mean, I still thought that you preferred those over that, so. Your armpit still hurt.
Yeah. I need to look it up. It's like in the like in there that it hurts. Where is it?
Are you sure you sleep like this? Or like.
Oh my gosh, it's clean. Couldn't find my wallet.
Oh boy, we have 10 minutes to get there. I didn't know we were gonna drive there. I don't think we are wearing the right clothes for this.
Because I was like feeling sweaty and gross.
And give you 2 more plates. Yeah. 저 사람이 제일 친절해.
근데 여기 테이블이 하나 더 있는데 왜 굳이 왜 굳이 다 여기 놔야 되는 거지? 모르겠지?
Happy birthday.
Thank you so
Happy
much.
birthday.
How am I supposed to take the first sip? Cheers. We can't even cheers with our drink.
Don't dance. That will be my drink.
You barely touched it.
Cannot finish.
It's only moving because I'm drinking it now.
Okay. You can pick though.
They all look good.
Close. At 8 p.m. I was so worried. I was like, no, they're gonna sell out, I'm sure, because they're supposed to close in 17 minutes. Okay, now we just hurry and go home. Oh yeah. 언니는 너한테 코트를 입으라고 했다. But you didn't. And now you walk like this, with your shoulder down. Because you're really cold. Look what my sister done to my shoes. Oh my God, but you film it. You film it
Your
for me.
shoes were already on the way like this. Look at.
Oh my gosh, it's missing its bottom. It's because you stepped on it.
It's cute. It's unique.
That is not cute.
It's cute. It's
It
cute.
makes a really annoying sound.
It just sounds like
But now you owe me shoes on your birthday.
I owe you shoes on my birthday.
Yeah.
What's my birthday present?
Yeah.
Cake?
Me.
Me? You? I don't want you.
I
I don't want you. Were you looking for them?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it. I found it. I don't have to buy you new shoes.
Look at our cake. Strawberry shortcake.
Yes, you do. I'm gonna fix it last time with a hammer. It's time to say goodbye though, honestly. I just had a very good chance since I was gonna make you buy me a pair of shoes and then you blew it. Oh, wrong side.
Oh, it's so easy. You literally just push.
Happy birthday to you. 사랑하는 종자. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Don't just blow, don't just. 이제 스푼으로 파먹는 거야?
퍼먹어? You're gonna give me a spoon, not a knife?
Yeah. And there, I got you something very small.
You got me something?
Yeah, very small.
How small?
Just close your eyes.
What is the? It's kind of small. What?
Happy birthday.
Oh my god.
Open. No, people don't need to see.
I'm so shocked. I really didn't expect this. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
It's really nice.
What you did was really nice?
No. No, I said AirPod Pro is really nice because I have it and I really
Wow. When did you get this?
I got it before.
When did you get this? Did I miss a package? Actually, just.
정말 너 이거 먹을 수 있겠니? 언니가 무스 시켜줬지?
Listen,
There's so much cream. Oh.
but this was prettier.
Very little bang on the bottom.
Whole strawberry.
이거 oh they do.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, they have strawberry all the way inside.
You didn't get to it yet. I got to it right away.
Yeah, okay.
여기 다 있어. You can
아,
see
네.
it. When did you get this? When you went to Sephora. So you just took a long time at Lottery.
Yes, I genuinely got lost today. Oh, I got lost today, Umjam. I was so angry at myself. I was like, I'm doing so good on my own, out there. And then I took the train to the opposite way. Stupid me.
The
That's how I
trains
feel
are confusing for sure.
이거 먹고 있어. 바쁘죠? 짧게 인사하려고 전화했어요.
중간에 이렇게 있어.
보여요? 이게
고기도 딸기야?
So nothing is easy. What are some furniture that were actually okay the first time we got them?
Do we have anything that we didn't have to like return? We need A, B, and C, and we only have 2 different sizes. So where are the C's? Bear, it's okay. Really, I was gonna buy new shoes anyways. I mean,
너무 늦어서 이거 하면 안 되나?
하지 말자.
내일 아침에 할까? halfway in.
Okay, tomorrow.
Yes, got it? Got it? Yes, and Yes, I got it. I got it. Nice and secure.
Yeah, I got it. Keep this together in the yeah.
Why can't we take one at a time?
Well, they're all connected. Why can't we just take it out of this onto top, no?
Just for. Look at.
It is like so uneven.
Yeah.
Like just cause we're not gonna be looking at this. Okay.
This is part of the couch.
Oh.
There's washer pieces. The bolts is also in here.
This is ripped in here.
What is this? There's a lot of tape. I don't even know if it matches that gold.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're yellowy gold.
Very yellow.
Had to think too much about what might have been, might have been. If I just could let you in,
That's the bottom? Yeah. For sure.
know
Yeah, this doesn't necessarily look like the top.
my remedy, remedy. Along with
Does it line up? Sure. Hold on. This is wrong. Let me see. Where is that? That's enough. So it is this side. Hi. That's how they step through there. That goes in there. And I'm also confused because I'm like, this is the back of the couch. Yes! This is it? We'll move. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm so upset. Where's my phone? You did a terrible job with this though. Where's my phone?
tell you how I feel, would you be good to me, good to me?
So tell me what happened.
So we got a full refund.
Yeah.
I don't want this couch, but I guess it's free now.
I didn't think that would be us.
I'm so disappointed in the quality though.
But I didn't think we would be one of those people who get a full refund and
But she was also shocked too. She's like, I've never.
this does not match up at all. I have to unzip it and remove the fabric myself in order to get the holes in. The
Like
thing.
punch a hole into-
Yeah.
What do we want to
Yeah.
do? Like they
So-
can't come pick it up because COVID.
And honestly, like I don't know if it'll be safe to use them because I feel like these don't match up right here.
Well, it is free.
I guess.
Even getting rid of it is a hassle, you know?
Shouldn't it just not get the blades? Getting rid of it is going to be so difficult. We're going to go take it to the front desk.
I literally. Okay, I think I made the hole. I'm so tired. You could barely lay on this couch. It's just for show at this point.
This couch got 3 legs, or I mean 5 legs.
That's so ugly.
That black thing in the middle, I don't remember seeing that in the picture.
That was not on the picture.
Oh.
We need to sit together and make it go down. There you go. You're making it go down more.
Oh, so it's good?
I think so.
I don't think it'll. I'm afraid it won't hold my weight.
Yeah. You know? That's kind of soft.
Yeah. We're gonna go pick up our dinner now. Are you feeling okay? You wanna cry?
Yes. Thank you so much.
So we still have to eat in front of our sink.
Amen.
Amen. What is wrong with everything that we get, Unga?
My arms are shaking, yo.
다 흘렸네, 다 흘렸어. 빵꾸 났어, 여기? 무슨.
The naan is cold.
사무사?
Samosa. You sure that's been yes, this is the same exact one. Garlic naan. Daddy. Oh, mommy doesn't know. Hello. Today we're going to IKEA with Talia and her sister Nicole.
Oh, I need water. Your outfit of the day.
No, don't do stuff like that. No, don't do stuff like that. Stop.
Now you want me to stop? You told me to record you.
Stop. Now. Are you hungry? Or should we get something to eat? They have a tiny cafeteria here. Eat there, yeah, sure.
So cute. Was $6 밖에 안 해?
Yeah, we can add points after. But if you have your venue card now, I can.
Keep telling her to tell Yeah, so this it looks like a scallion pancake. Yeah. What is that? This is no, I'm
Do you like it?
really good. What I'm most excited for. I don't know how people eat that. It's super spicy one. Oh yay, we did it. Yeah.
Let's go.
I know. We're not even in the store yet.
I know, but this is what they have.
No, what is this?
Chocolate?
No, but I guess it's a Korean thing. Maybe.
That's weird.
Do you guys like almonds?
Yeah.
This is like huge in Korea, but I don't eat almonds, so it's up to you. I mean, like, I don't know, it's really popular.
Yes,
You already bought so many things. Maybe we need to stop, though.
Well, it depends if we. Oh my god, I need it. I'm so excited.
Okay.
Wait. There's another one with less, unless you want the big one. No, I want that one. I'm gonna like.
오징어 젓해?
이거 비슷한데 뭐. 뭘? Can you bring the bag over there?
I know that people usually like show you what they got and stuff, but no, I'm too lazy. So I'm not gonna be showing you what.
So my sister bought 4 floor lamps for how much, Jumbyul?
170.
170 because they were on sale, and 2 of them arrived today. Since we went to IKEA, we have a whole bunch of stuff to put together. My sister's working on one right now because I failed to And there are about 2 bar cards that I have to put together and these floor lamps. So we'll see if we like them. I really need some lights though.
Yeah. You can take yours. I could leave mine out here, I guess.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just needed some gravity.
Well, you think...
How sad is that? Yes! It's a little uneven.
Yeah.
You take this out and you do it. I'm sweating trying to make these holes in the wood, Oni. I can't do it. Do you think I'm stronger than you? I'm weak today, Oni. I'm tired.
City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.